Imagine this. You're 55 years old, and retirement is just around the corner. But instead of feeling excited, you're filled with dread. Your savings are barely enough to cover a year of expenses, and you're still paying off debt. The dream of traveling, spending time with family, or even just living comfortably feels impossible. This is the reality for millions of people who didn't take action in their 30s and 40s. But it doesn't have to be your story. Here's the hard truth. Your 30s and 40s are yours to build real wealth. After 50, it becomes exponentially harder to recover from financial mistakes or missed opportunities. Every year you wait, the mountain gets steeper. But the good news? You still have time, if you act now. But let's be honest, building wealth isn't easy. You're juggling student loans, a mortgage, maybe even kids' college funds. Your job feels unstable and the economy is unpredictable. It's overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to navigate these obstacles and come out on top? The secret to building wealth in your 30s and 40s isn't about getting lucky or working yourself to the bone. It's about making smart, strategic moves that compound over time. In this video, I'll reveal the 5 proven steps to secure your financial future, starting today. But before we get into the steps, let me ask you this. What happens if you don't take action? The numbers don't lie. By 50, the average person has less than $50,000 saved for retirement. That's a one-way ticket to financial stress and missed opportunities. Don't let that be you. Let's take a look at 5 simple but very effective steps you can take starting today that can change your future when applied. Number 1. Maximize your earnings. Negotiate raises, switch jobs strategically, or start a side hustle. There's no time left to waste in a dead-end vehicle that can't take you to financial freedom. Number 2. Invest early and consistently. Leverage compound interest by investing in index funds or retirement accounts. Even if you have no prior knowledge, research this. Number 3. Tackle debt aggressively. Prioritize high-interest debt and create a payoff plan. Never pay the exact amount due on a credit card loan. Always try to pay a little bit more than what's owing. Number 4. Live below your means. Cut unnecessary expenses and focus on saving 20% of your income. If you don't know how much that is, work it out by creating a budget. Number 5. Diversify your income streams. Explore real estate, passive income, or entrepreneurship. YouTube is filled with content that covers these topics. Don't be scared. Be scared to be broke. The clock is ticking, but the power is in your hands. Start today by implementing just one of these steps. Your future self will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's build wealth together, one smart move at a time.